Hey everyone, it's Victoria from Fun Finance. I'm so excited to share some fantastic holiday budgeting tips with you today. The holiday season is a time for joy, celebration, and unfortunately, sometimes overspending. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some practical and fun ways to keep your finances in check while still enjoying the festive spirit. Today, I've got some awesome tips to help you save and spend smartly this holiday season. Whether you're planning to buy gifts, decorate your home, or even give back to the community, these tips will ensure you do it all without breaking the bank. Let's dive right in. First up, set a realistic budget for gifts. It's easy to get carried away with the excitement of holiday shopping, but having a clear budget will help you stay on track. Start by listing all the people you want to buy gifts for and allocate a specific amount for each person. This way, you can ensure that you don't overspend on any one individual and have enough to go around for everyone on your list. Track your expenses to avoid overspending. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to keep a record of all your purchases. This will help you see where your money is going and make adjustments if needed. Simple, right? Now let's talk about getting creative with DIY gifts. Handmade gifts are not only affordable, but also add a personal touch that store-bought items can't match. Get creative with DIY gifts. You can make anything from homemade candles and bath bombs to personalized photo albums and knitted scarves. The possibilities are endless, and your loved ones will appreciate the effort and thought you put into their gifts. Not only are they affordable, but they're also super personal. Plus, making gifts can be a fun activity to do with family and friends, adding to the holiday cheer. Check out these easy and fun DIY gift ideas. You can find plenty of tutorials online to get you started. Don't miss out on holiday deals. The holiday season is the best time to take advantage of sales and discounts. Keep an eye out for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other holiday sales events. Use apps and websites to find the best discounts. There are many tools available that can help you compare prices and find the best deals. Some popular ones include Honey, Rakuten, and Retail Me Not. Your wallet will thank you. Another great tip is to try the 100 pounds before Christmas challenge. This challenge encourages you to save a little bit of money each day leading up to Christmas. Try the 100 pounds before Christmas challenge. Start by setting aside a small amount each day, and by the time Christmas arrives, you'll have a nice little fund to use for gifts, decorations, or even a special treat for yourself. Save a little each day and watch it add up. It's amazing how quickly small amounts can grow when you're consistent. Share your progress with us. Join the Fun Finance community and let us know how you're doing with the challenge. It's a great way to stay motivated and inspire others to save as well. Decorate on a budget. You don't need to spend a fortune to make your home look festive. There are plenty of affordable and creative ways to decorate for the holidays. I've got tips for affordable holiday decor and DIY projects. For example, you can make your own ornaments using materials you already have at home, or create a beautiful centerpiece with items from your garden. Let's make your home festive and fabulous. Remember, it's the thought and effort that count, not how much you spend. Remember to budget for charitable donations. The holiday season is a time for giving, and it's important to include charitable donations in your budget. Giving back is the true spirit of the season. Consider donating to local charities, food banks, or organizations that support those in need. Here are some great charities to consider. Research and choose causes that are close to your heart, and remember that every little bit helps. That's it for today. I hope these tips help you have a merry and financially smart holiday season. Remember, the key to a stress-free holiday is planning and budgeting. I hope these tips help you have a merry and financially smart holiday season. Enjoy the festivities without the financial stress. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun finance tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and happy holidays from all of us at Fun Finance.